Let the right knee be as open as you need or as closed as you can take until you can sit down into our classic Parighasana position. Drawing the navel in, hands on the waist, hold. 1. Look down, get comfortable, engage the legs. 2, 3, 4, 5. Interlace the fingers, reach up. 1, deep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, hands on the ground. Slowly pivot forward, forward, more forward, until you can be completely flat. If you cannot be completely flat, use a block under the chest. Hold it here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Roll the left shoulder under and put the head on the ground. Just get comfortable here. Deep breaths. No stress. Press through the right fingers. Open the chest and stay. Nice and comfortable here. Now we have the option to ground a little bit more in the pelvis, like we go from up to a little bit back and down, and then reach the hands around to the foot. Hold. 1, 2. Every exhalation, a little more twist. 3, 4, 5. Let's release. Roll a little bit forward, back into our initial forward fold. Peel yourself all the way up. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Hands back to the waist.